You purchased a B08 and now you're wondering how to thread a machine. Let's have a look at how this is done. We'll start with the upper thread. Raise the presser foot to release the tension discs. Press the needle up-down button twice to be sure that the needle is raised to its highest position. Turn the machine off. Place the thread spool on the left spool pin and guide the thread along the threading path. Slide the thread through the thread guide plate and the first pre-tension dial. If the thread tends to twist too much, as is the case with some metallic threads, use all 3 holes. Guide the thread around the tension dial. Pull it straight up and guide the thread to the take-up lever. Pull the thread down and slide it through the 2 thread guides before threading the needle. Use the built-in needle threader to thread the needle. This is easier when the presser foot is lowered. When using thicker thread, the threading is slightly different. After the tension dial, instead of pulling straight up, slide the thread additionally through these 2 holes. This is needed to adapt the thread tension when using thicker threads.